Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. And basically guys, you're watching this video because you're looking for the best Airbnb promo codes for 2024. These are brand new working codes for the new year, and yeah, they're gonna save you a bunch of money. So there are a couple of different coupon codes for Airbnb that you can unlock. There is a $200 off your next booking code, and there is also a 50% off code, so you can basically work out which one's going to be more beneficial for your specific booking. So these Airbnb discount codes, like I said, are working for 2024, but there is a short process for you to unlock your codes, so I'm going to be running through how to do it now. So yeah, just make sure you follow all of the instructions in this video. And you need to pick up your mobile phone, so make sure you use your mobile for this. I'm using an iPhone, but it doesn't matter which device you use. And you need to go to this website, so just make sure you copy it exactly how I'm going to type it here. www.topdogcodes.com. So Top Dog Codes, this website here guys, so pause, copy this down, because you need to go directly to this web page. If you don't see this homepage, you've gone to the wrong place, so just carefully go to this website. And at the search bar at the top of the page, it says search below what you're looking for. So search for Airbnb, and it should just pop up. It's like a predictive search. It says Airbnb coupons and deals, so tap on that page and scroll down. And you can see there's a ton of these coupons remaining. Sometimes this number doesn't update, but as long as you can find this Airbnb coupons page, that means there's still codes for you to get. You can also see it's been rated over 2,000 times, and you have to be a verified user to do that. So let's show you how to get your codes. So you basically have to choose which code you want. I'll select the $200 off code in this scenario, so I'm going to click on this green button at the right that says show coupon, and this is going to pop up, which basically confirms this is the $200 off Airbnb promo code. Now you can see we need to unlock the code. Basically the second half of this promo code has been blocked out. This protects the codes and ensures that someone just can't come on and steal every available code. So basically guys, we need to verify ourselves to unlock our $200 code. So tap unlock code, and there is a short process to get our code, but it only takes around 5 minutes and it's pretty easy. So now you're going to see this screen here, which is basically a verification screen. You've probably seen something like this before, but if you haven't, don't panic. It's actually pretty easy. So we need to just follow these instructions, and if you read the screen here, it basically says complete 2 of the tasks below, and they're all completely free, and they do only take a few minutes each to complete. So as you can see on my screen, I have a list of tasks. You can just choose any 2 tasks that you see on this page and follow the description below each one. They're all pretty easy, and they range from downloading and playing free games to just answering some quick questions. So yep, I'm gonna go ahead and complete 2 of these, and once I've done them, I'll come back and we can see if it gives me my Airbnb promo code. So I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay guys, so yep, that took me around 5 to 10 minutes. I just completed 2 tasks on this page. So I did this one here that you saw. It was basically a survey. I had to answer some questions and then input a valid and a working email address. And then I just went ahead and did this game at the top where I had to download this Family Island game and then just play it until I completed level 8. So now I've completed 2 tasks following the instructions below each of them. When I hit my tabs, if I've done everything correctly, you can see now I've got this Airbnb coupons codes tab down here. Open that up, and it has now given me my $200 Airbnb promo code, and I can enter this during the booking process on Airbnb, and it's going to remove obviously $200 off my booking. So that is it guys, you just need to make sure you do fully complete that verification step, and it's going to unlock your code. You can also get a 50% off your next booking code, so if you're doing a expensive booking, that one may be more beneficial. And of course, it will just transfer to your local currency. So for me, this $200 is around 160 Great British pounds. And yeah, so get your own code, guys. Go to topdogcodes.com. And if you have any questions at all, I can help out. Just make sure you do follow all of the instructions, because it is pretty easy. But yeah, it can be confusing if you try and skip some steps. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great new year and enjoy your Airbnb savings. Peace out.